Hi students, today we discuss about the different blood groups of human beings. The human beings possess different blood groups. Blood groups of human beings. So human beings possess different type of blood groups, namely blood group A, blood group B, blood group AB, and blood group O. So these are the important blood groups in human beings. How they determine the blood groups? First, Carl Landsteiner. Carl Landsteiner identify the A, B, AB and O blood groups in human beings. So the blood groups was discovered by Carl Landsteiner. The Carl Landsteiner discovered the blood groups with the help of presence or absence of antigens. So Landsteiner identified or discovered the four blood groups with the help of presence or absence of antigens. Carl Landsteiner discovered or identified the two types of antigens in the blood of human beings, such as antigen A and antigen B. So the antigen A and antigen B both are discovered by Carl Landsteiner. So with the help of these antigens, Landsteiner identify or discover the four blood groups. Here the antigen A and antigen B are located on the surface of the RBC of man. For example, this is RBC. RBC is enclosed or covered by a plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. So, the surface of the RBC of man contains these two types of antigens. So, this is antigen A. So, surface of the RBC contains antigen A. Next, surface of the RBC contains antigen B. So, the A and B antigens are located on the surface of the RBC of man. So here the antigen A and antigen B are also called isoagglutinogens. 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 So antigen A and antigen B are called isoagglutinogens. These are located on the surface of RBC of man. Next, Karl Landsteiner identified the two types of antibodies in human blood. Namely, anti-A antibody, anti-B antibody. So, Karl Landsteiner identified two types of antibodies in the blood of man: anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies. The anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies are located in the plasma of the blood. Plasma is a fluid-like substance. Blood divides into two parts: plasma and blood corpuscles. Blood corpuscles means blood cells, RBC, WBC, platelets are the blood cells. So blood divides into fluid-like plasma and blood cell. So the anti-A antibody and anti-B antibodies are located in the blood plasma, but antigens are located on the surface of the RBC. But the blood groups are decided by a type of antigens. Not antibodies. Blood groups are decided by type of antigens. So now how the blood groups are decided. So the person who possesses antigen A on the surface of RBC, their blood group is A. So the presence of antigen A on the surface of RBC, the blood group is A. So the A blood group person possesses anti-B antibodies. Anti-B antibody. So blood group A person possess antigen A on their RBC. Anti-B antibodies are possessed in the blood plasma. The person who possess antigen B on their surface of the RBC, its blood group is B. The blood group B person possess anti-A antibody. Anti-A and so the blood group B person has antigen B. Antigen B on their RBC, anti-A antibodies in their plasma. Next, the person who possesses both antigen A and antigen B on their surface of RBC. The blood group is AB. The blood group is AB. So blood group AB person possess antigen A and antigen B. So both antigens are present on the surface of RBC of blood group AB persons. AB blood group person has no antibodies in their plasma. So antibodies are absent. So absence of antibodies and present of antigen A and antigen B. The blood group is AB. Next, the person who does not possess any antigen on their RBC. So antigens are absent. So the person who does not possess antigens on their RBC, the blood group is O. The O blood group person possesses both anti-A antibody and anti-B antibodies. So the blood group O person possesses both the anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies. But O blood group person has no anti. So antigens are absent in blood group O person. But both the anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies are present in blood group O person. So presence or absence are types of antigens, and presence and absence of antigens decide the blood group. Antigen A, the person who possesses antigen A on their RBC, blood group is A. The person who possesses antigen B on their RBC, the blood group is B. The person who possesses both antigen A and antigen B, the blood group is AB. A and B antigens both are absent. Blood group is O. Here, blood group A person possesses antigen A, but they possess anti-B antibody. Here, why the anti-A antibodies are absent in blood group A person? Same way, the B blood group person possesses antigen B, but they possess anti-A antibody. Here, anti-B antibodies are absent in blood group B person. Next, AB blood group persons possess antigen A and antigen B, but antibodies are absent. Why? Blood group O persons does not possess antigens, but they possess both the anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies. Why? Here, antigen A reacts with antigen A reacts with anti A antibody. Antigen A reacts with anti-A antibody. Same way, antigen B reacts with anti-B antibody. So the blood group A person possesses anti-A antibody. Surface of the RBC of blood group A person antigen A. That person possesses anti-A antibody. So here the antigen A reacts with anti-A antibody. The blood cells are ruptured and moves together and form a bunch of blood cells. So the person can die. So A blood group person possesses anti-B antibody. Here anti-A and antigen A does not react with anti-B antibody. Same way, the antigen B does not react with anti-A antibody. So here AB blood group persons possess two types of antigens. So the AB blood group persons has no antibodies. When the presence of antibodies in the AB blood group person, the antigens reacts them. Next, O blood group persons possess two types of antibodies. Antigens are absent. If O blood group person contains antigens on their RBC, the antigens reacts with antibodies. O blood group person possesses two types of antibodies. So A blood group person does not possess anti-A antibodies. That person possesses anti-B antibody. B blood group person possesses antigen B. They cannot they cannot possess anti-B antibodies. They possess anti-A antibody. AB blood group person possesses two types of antigens. So the AB blood group person do not possess any antibodies. O blood group persons possess two types of antibodies. They do not possess antigens. So presence or absence of antigens, the blood group is decided. The antigens, antigen A and antigen B, are produced with the help of genes. Which genes produce antigen A and antigen B? I will explain the genes of antigens in the next class.